I'm sure you've heard the news. Hiccups are nature's way of reminding us we have a diaphragm. Let's break it down. Alright, so here's the scoop. Hiccups happen because of a muscle called the diaphragm. It's the muscle that helps us breathe. When it decides to throw a little tantrum and spasms, air rushes in and your vocal cords snap shut. And voila, you get that charming hic sound. Eating too fast, gulping down a fizzy drink, maybe you're just super excited or stressed. All of these can trigger your diaphragm to act up. But don't worry, hiccups are mostly harmless and usually vanish on their own. The exact reason why we get them is still a mystery. Scientists are scratching their heads too. Oh, and guess what? Even animals get hiccups. So next time you hiccup, just laugh it off and thank your diaphragm for the entertainment. Now you know the secret behind those pesky hiccups. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this mini mystery tour, and subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.